Hello everyone. These are the materials contained in the kit of the cow. Let's crochet the head of the cow with white yarn together. If there is a pre-started crochet piece that came with the kit, we need to take off the stitch marker from the marking stitch. This is the first stitch. And this is the chain stitch. This is the working yarn. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the correct side of the crochet piece facing you. Now we can remove the stitch markers, then insert hook into the marking stitch to start crocheting. We can also start over without the pre-started crochet piece. We will need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet for round 1, totally 6 stitches. Make your left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Slip off the magic ring. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you, hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 6 increase, totally 12 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. This chain stitch would not count as needed stitch of each round. We can now continue crocheting the later parts using the pre-started crochet piece that came with the kit. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now, we got 1 increase, see 2 stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 2 single crochet to make 1 increase. Got 2 increase, see for stitches. Repeat with 4 more increase. The third increase. 4, 5, 6, 'Now, we have finished totally 12 stitches for round 2. We can count the stitches together. Started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the slip stitch and this is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch and insert hook into the marking stitch to work one slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we have finished round 2. For round 3, we need to work 6 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 18 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, see 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. We need to repeat with 4 more sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Finished 5 sequences. For the 6th sequence, 1 single crochet first and 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. You can see the V-shaped stitches on this side. This is the correct side of the crochet piece. Please make sure the correct side is facing you. For round 4, we need to work 6 sequences of 2 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 24 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. And work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. See 4 stitches. Continue with 2 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. We need to repeat with 4 more sequences of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Finished 5 sequences. For the 6th sequence, 2 single crochet first. And 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 4. For round 5, we need to work 6 sequences of 3 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 30 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Repeat with 2 more single crochet. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 3 single crochet, 1 increase. See 5 stitches. Continue with 3 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. We need to repeat with 4 more sequences of 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Finished 5 sequences. For the 6th sequence, 3 single crochet first. The first single crochet. 2, 3, and 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 5. For round 6 to round 11, we need to work 30 single crochet each round, totally 30 stitches each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Repeat single crochet to finish 30 single crochet for round 6. Now, the last single crochet of round 6. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 6. Repeat 30 single crochet in the same way as round 6 to finish round 7 to round 11. Finished round 7 to round 11.